Hello there. This week for week 6, I would like to talk about the 2 big main ideas, 3 ways to differentiate, and the 3 basic ways for formative assessment. The 3 ways that we learned to do differentiation would be 1. Parallel tasks, 2. Open questions, and 3. Tiered lessons, in which they are all layered. The second main idea I would like to talk about are the ways to do formative assessment, and that was incidental notes, checklists, and questioning. One thing that I really want to take away from this big main point is that Dr. Strawhecker talked about not doing just observing. She talked about doing different things to get the students involved and to see how they are learning throughout the classroom. Something that I want to use for my own classroom is the ideas for teaching data. Today we talked about the 3 main games that we did on Tuesday, which was Googly-Eyed Grog, Graphs with Sentence Starters, Name the Graph, and the Gallery Walk. I like these activities because they really helped us learn that we can differentiate these activities for different types of learners. And they also got the students thinking about how they can create different graphs. Something that I was confused about this week was 21.4 self-check. It asked which one of the following about classifying tasks is not correct, and it was ordering objects in terms of their size and shape. This one confused me because I wasn't sure why it was ordering objects, but then as I looked back on this section and the 2 types of data that can be collected, categorical means grouped by labels, which means by favorites, colors, or most popular. So therefore I realized that then that the size and shape isn't something that you can group categorical data by. So that is it for this week. I really liked learning about the 2 big main ideas, the differentiated tasks and the formative assessment. And I really enjoyed also looking back at different activities that we can use for teaching data. And lastly, when we do our self-checks, we always need to look back and make sure that we understand why we're getting the questions wrong. So that's it for this week, and thank you for listening.